This is Matt Mushik with the National Weather Service Office out of North Platte, bringing you the latest information on our upcoming winter storm. Headlines: we have a major winter storm expected to hit the area for Wednesday and Thursday. Significant accumulating snow is possible with this one. There is a high confidence of a widespread 6+ inches across much of western and north central Nebraska. Locally, areas could see a foot or more of snowfall accumulation. Timing snow is expected to begin by Wednesday afternoon across southwest Nebraska and then spread to the north and east. Snow will become moderate to heavy Wednesday evening, continuing through Wednesday night and into Thursday. Here is a projected surface map for Tuesday evening. The storm system of concern is across the southwest part of the United States. To put this into motion, it will push towards the Four Corners region. However, a disturbance out ahead of it will allow Gulf moisture to stream northward across the southern plains and in towards western Nebraska. This is valid for Wednesday morning. By Wednesday evening, the low pressure center has emerged onto the eastern side of the Rockies, and this will allow a moderate to heavy snow band to develop across Kansas into southwestern Nebraska. By Thursday morning, the storm is in full force with a large area of moderate to heavy snow expected across much of the state of Nebraska and into Kansas. By Thursday evening, the low pressure center continues to move east across the central plains, and we will start to see snow diminish from west to east. This is the probability of greater than 2 inches through Wednesday afternoon. You can see the impact is greatest across southwest Nebraska. So we look at the probability of greater than 4 inches. This is also through Wednesday afternoon. There is a small probability with less than even 50%. So we don't have a lot of accumulation expected by Wednesday evening. However, if we go towards the probability, this is greater than 4 inches, and this is the time period of Wednesday night into Thursday. We can see this is probability of 4 inches and a large area of the region of a 95% or greater probability of the 4 inches. Looking at 6 inches, there's still a large area of probability here. This is this dark reddish color with a greater than 95% probability of greater than 6 inches. This is the time period again, Wednesday night through Thursday. Continue to increase the amounts. This is greater than 8 inches. And even probabilities of greater than 12 inches, you see that the number has dwindled, and we're at more the 50 to 70%, and this is over more south central Nebraska. But still, some significant snow is expected. If we take a look at some of the impacts we expect, there is a winter storm warning that is in effect for most of western and north central Nebraska. The exception is Sheridan County, where there is a winter weather advisory in effect. Accumulations, you can see anywhere from 4 to 8 inches in the northwestern part of the area to 8 to 12 or even more across the southeastern parts of the area. Looking at some of the decision support highlights we have, a general 6 to 12 inches or more is expected with this storm system, impacting western and north central Nebraska. The heaviest snow accumulations are expected across the southern parts of the area into the eastern parts. Again, timing is Wednesday morning and continuing Wednesday night into Thursday. Expect snow-packed roadways. Winds will start out of the east on the order of 20 to 30 miles per hour. And as we go through Wednesday night into Thursday, the winds will become more northeasterly and eventually becoming more northerly. The winds will have the capabilities of reducing some visibilities along with some drifting of snow. Temperatures, we see Wednesday afternoon temperatures in the mid-20s to lower 30s. Wednesday night temperatures generally in the teens. Not much of a rebound for the day on Thursday with high temperatures in the teens to lower 20s. And then Thursday night, as the system starts to exit, we see temperatures becoming quite cold with single digits expected. With this major winter storm, you need to stay up to date with the latest information. One way you can do that is looking at our webpage at www.weather.gov/North Platte. When you're there, check out the top news of the day. It will highlight some of the major impacts we have, like this multi-weather briefing you're seeing. There will also be some statements that will be issued that will be viewable at this top portion here. And as always, we have our point and click so you can get your detailed forecast for your specific location. And we are also on Facebook or on Twitter. You can follow us. Again, this has been Matt Mushik with the National Weather Service Office out of North Platte. Expected next update to this weather briefing is Wednesday morning.